least I want to take a picture. Wow! This is Topolino Lake.
Guys, we made it. Yes, I'm in the hotel right now. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, people of internet. Guys, I know they already saw some short on the short video on the channel and on the other platform too. And you were thinking, who the hell is this guy? And why is speaking in English? He's clearly Italian. Guys, I want to introduce myself before I put the real video on the channel. My name is Giovanni. I'm an Italian-American guy. I've been living in the States many years. And I always say that I have two homes, the States and here. I feel American 100%, and also I feel Italian. I'm deciding to speak in English because I know that many people, not just from US, but all over the world, can have some difficulty come here in Italy and in Europe. It can be very expensive, or maybe they don't have vacation, whatever reason. So I want you to be your eye on this part of the world and wherever I go. I hope, of course, that my trips, they're not going to be just Europe or Italy, but I want to go far, okay? But you're going to see it. So I have other trips coming for the next months. Actually, one is very big. It's not going to be motorcycle trip, but it's going to be very big. And of course, I love to motovlog. I love travel in general. So this channel will be 90% motovlog and 10%, regular trip. But you're always gonna see this ugly face. You're gonna come with me, and I hope you will enjoy the content. Of course, I'm not a pro, so I'm learning little by little. I know you're gonna forgive me my mistake, maybe for my English, for you're not gonna be always the perfect shot or the perfect audio, but still I'm learning. I promise you that your waiting will be worth it, and this project will grow just with your help. So for now, thank you so much. Wait for me because I'm coming, and I want to say bye from Napoli, the city where I was born, and more content are coming. Thank you so much, guys. You have a great night.